Columbine. The columbine is also popularly called elven shoe, devil's bell, emperor's bell, women's shoe, five birds together, gypsy's luck, ink bell, priest's cap, capuchin's cap, columbine, dove, or floundering pants. Botanists also use the name Aquilegia vulgaris. The plant is a buttercup and grows up to 1 meter tall. In spring, usually in March, Aquilegia vulgaris sprouts its leaves. The light green foliage then stands together like a rosette. The leaves are double tripartite, at the bottom they have long stems, while the upper ones are called stalkless. The flower of columbine is spurred, very delicate and elf-like. It reaches a size of about 3 to 5 centimeters. Garden lovers can enjoy it in the period from May to June. Then they appear in white, red, blue, yellow, blue-violet and blue-white. Just before flowering, the divisible formation tissue deforms into an inflorescence. The fruit is a so-called bellows fruit. It is many-seeded and consists of 5 carpels. It stands upright and its bellows open at the middle suture in each case. In this way the seeds remain and are shaken out when it is windy or raining or when animals touch the plant. The common columbine is found in southern Europe, Central Europe and Western Europe. In England it grows mainly in limestone areas, in the south of the country. On Bornholm it is probably original, while in the rest of Scandinavia it has gone wild. Experts also assume that it has gone wild mainly in Russia. In the eastern Baltic states, columbine grows spontaneously, while in Asian countries it replaces related plant species. Among others, the columbine is also found in mixed oak and beech forests. It is also found on the edges of hedges, drier lawns or meadow margins. Its typical habitat is dry to fresh, sun-warmed, base or nutrient-rich, calcareous, loose, stony or pure clay soil. In the past, columbine was used in herbal medicine to treat gall and liver ailments. It also played a role in curing skin eczema and mouth ulcers. Today, homeopaths use the plant in case of weakness, nervous ailments and menstrual cramps. As a medicinal herb, columbine should be used with caution in the truest sense of the word. This is due to the prussic acid it contains, which, however, largely evaporates when heated or dried. Therefore, columbine is almost never used by physicians and naturopaths, because other plants have a similar or even better effect and are completely harmless. Mixed by experts with other medicinal herbs, it is sometimes part of an administered remedy in homeopathy. For blood purification, as well as a remedy for digestive problems, columbine is very good as a tea. This boosts metabolism, which brings relief to patients afflicted by rheumatism or gout. Since columbine contains linoleic acid, it is also indicated for poultices for itching or skin dryness. Homeopaths prepare remedies from the fresh flowering plant. The columbine represents insomnia, hysteria, sensitivity to light and morning vomiting. In the Middle Ages, columbine was used for purification. Its nodding flowers were then interpreted as a symbol of Mary's melancholy. The name priest's cap is also of religious origin and implies humility as well as piety. Before Christ, columbine was said to have an aphrodisiac effect. Indians used the herb for a potion with a corresponding effect. In Europe, according to another legend, witches mixed it into their ointments. If men once had potency problems, they were recommended columbine. If a woman was infertile, the priest's cap was mixed into the bedstraw. In southern Germany, columbine is relatively common. It often blooms beautifully in private gardens. It is very easy to care for and does well in cottage gardens or a perennial border. If the location is chosen correctly, it spreads all by itself and enlivens gardens with its gorgeous colors. Enjoy this play of colors.